professional equation with the then President of America, Barack Obama. We also have a statement which has come in from America the moments after the news first broke late last night of the unfortunate demise of Dr. Manmohan Singh. The United States has offered our sincere condolences to the people of India for the passing away of the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. This is a statement which was given by the Secretary of State Antony Blinken, and in this statement, and I quote him, Dr. Singh was one of the greatest champions of the US-India strategic partnership. His leadership in advancing the US-India Civil Nuclear Cooperation Agreement signified a major investment in the potential of the US-India relationship. At home, Dr. Singh will be remembered for his economic reforms that spurred India's rapid economic growth. Arunima is also now joining us from outside Dr. Manmohan Singh's residence. You know, Arunima, we were speaking to Sam Pitroda and he shared those nuggets of information about how Barack Obama's bonhomie or camaraderie with Dr. Manmohan Singh was so evident. You know, if any of us, and we have read that letter which was written by by the former President Barack Obama to Dr. Manmohan Singh when he stepped down, and you know, it's a very rare occasion, you know, very few salute someone who's demitting office, but Barack Obama certainly did that. In this statement of America, do you see a reflection on how America understood that this was a man who was extraordinary and the US nuclear deal was something which was very important as much for India as well as for America? Arunima, if you can hear me, you know, when you go through the American statement on the demise of Dr. Manmohan Singh and the reference it makes also to the Indo-US nuclear deal, isn't it an evidence or acknowledgement of the fact that not just in India, but even abroad, especially in America, Dr. Manmohan Singh will always have a special place?
Well, there's no doubt about that. And you know, Dr. Manmohan Singh himself, his supporters within the Congress party have often argued that it is wrong to say that Dr. Manmohan Singh and under him, India's growth story did not get the kind of acknowledgement that India truly deserved. They have often countered that narrative, and what you're seeing in terms of the statement from the United States of America, where they are acknowledging Dr. Manmohan Singh's role in the Indo-US Civil Nuclear Cooperation Agreement, also the role that he played in opening up India's market, the liberalization era that was ushered him by him as a finance minister and P.V. Narasimha Rao as the Prime Minister. That is something that India acknowledges, that is something that the world acknowledges. When Dr. Manmohan Singh was at the helm of affairs, social media was not this aggressive, not this active. So perhaps the current generation would not have known his legacy as much. And as I'm speaking to you, Pallavi, keep an eye on my frame because, you know, any moment now you will see the Home Minister's convoy move in. The advanced security liaison has been carried out. The ASL has been carried out. I can already hear the convoy pilot vehicles, beepers going up. I think in a couple of minutes from now, because the sanitization process is still on. All the roads leading up to Dr. Manmohan Singh's residence, the traffic has been blocked there. And Narendra is just trying to show you the visuals here. The entire route has been sanitized. So as we are talking about the Home Minister's visit, we are also talking about the Indo-US relation under Dr. Manmohan Singh's leadership when he was the Prime Minister of the country. And you're absolutely right. This statement actually reminds you of the legacy that Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has had, the legacy that he leaves behind and how he's remembered not just by India but the world.